morning when you're just about starving. In the middle of the night you go tripping down the stairs. Groping just to find that you open up the door and you're blinded by the light. Well, hang on tight. You're sweating for a minute, but if you bear and grin it, you'll be sitting pretty good when your eyes get adjusted to the glow and luster of aluminum foil all around that bird. Chicken and gravy, this is what it sounds like. Some sounds like that's the way she is. Baby want a breast, mama want a dog, oh, sister picking at the chicken in the fridge. Got me pretty lonely for my one and only, well, you know how it is. She laughed at my money, but she called me honey when I whispered to her softly, got chicken in the fridge, chicken in the fridge. This is what it sounds like, or maybe something sounds like that's the way she is. Baby want a breast, mama want a dog, oh, sister picking at the chicken in the fridge. Serve you butter when they give you Lord supper, just an old salty cracker and a half a sip of wine. Chicken in the fridge, this is what it sounds like. Whenever something sounds like that's the way she is. Baby want a breast, mama want a thigh bone, sister picking at the chicken in the fridge. I don't care what they say, I'm gonna stand to the hostess at the tolling of the bell, say, hang on, Hannah, you can hold your manna. If you ain't got chicken, I'll try down chicken in the fridge. This is what it sounds like, there's some sound, that's the way she is. Baby want a breast, mama want a thigh bone, sister picking at the chicken in the fridge. This is what it sounds like, there's some sound, that's the way she is. Baby want a breast, mama want a thigh bone, picking at the chicken in the fridge.